Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
So, have you enjoying your summer vacation?
Yes, sir.
But you missed your school, na?
Yes, sir.
So we are conducting the video lesson for you specially. So today we are going to read the EVS chapter 1, that is going to school. So you all like going to school, na? But many people come through by their bicycle. Some come through the car, some come through the buses. But have you seen the Vikram Nagar? The people come through by the bus, but they cross a bridge in between.
Yes.
Yes.
Very big fish.
Very big. It's built over the a river.
Yeah.
So
So what is the name of that river?
river is
Chambal.
it's the Chambal River. Yes, it's a salty river of the Rajasthan. So did you notice the bridge is made of bamboo?
No.
No.
It's made of cement and iron.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So which bridge will be the stronger? Bamboo bridge or the cement bridge?
Bamboo bridge.
Bamboo bridge. Have you seen the bamboo bridge?
Yeah.
Have you walked over there?
Yes.
So you will compare again. We will go to the cement bridge first and after the bamboo bridge. You can see the bamboo bridge is not stronger than the cement bridge because cement bridge is more stronger. Many buses and the cars and the cycles can pass through at a one single time, but you cannot do in the bamboo bridge. So
Okay.
there are two major differences. First, the bamboo bridge is made of rope and the bamboo, and the second, only one person at a time that they can cross at the bamboo bridge. But the cement bridge, it is very stronger. We are using where we use the cement bridge. Actually, it can made over the river, maybe the railway station. We need to the railway track crossing. We saw there
Flyovers also.
flyovers also on the roads.
Yeah.
So, these are the differences between the bamboo bridge and cement bridge. So, can you tell me what is the definition of bridge? I think you can do that. Actually, bridge is a structure that we made over the railway track, river, or road, etc. to cross them. So, this bridge is clear.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Very good. So, in that bridge, we will talk about first bamboo bridge. Did I told bamboo bridge about anything? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, the bamboo bridge.
Sir, others are not answering.
Girl, you should
Yes.
say something about the bamboo bridge right now.
Sir, it is made of rope and
Bamboo.
bamboo.
So, why in which say or which area we need bamboo bridge? Why we don't need here?
Here,
But you
we
know,
have roads. Here we have roads.
yes, you have
Then,
roads.
We can go on. Yes, we can easily
Actually,
come to
some
school and
states,
go
na,
somewhere.
they have very thick forest, but their students also want to go to the school, so they have to cross to the thick forest, and there is thick forest, na, there will rain heavily, like Assam. So I'm giving you one example. Bamboo bridge is found in
Assam.
Assam.
why? Why Assam have bamboo bridge? I just told you,
Thick forest, sir.
and they have
And heavy rainfall.
heavy rainfall. So they made bamboo bridge because there is a thick forest. They cannot make any structure which is made of cement. They cannot make cement bridge because for cement bridge they need many things, many materials. They have to come. They have to take. So in the thick forest they cannot make. So the local people make their own availability of their sources. So this is the bamboo bridge. Any doubt from?
No, sir.
So bamboo bridge is found in.
Assam.
Assam.
It is made of
Bamboo and rope.
And rope.
yes. And why it is in Assam?
Because Assam
thick
gets
forest.
heavy rainfall.
And
And
thick forest.
thick forest.
And the student wants to go to the
School.
school. That is really important. And you also like the go to school.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
And how they cross the bamboo bridge at the single time? Na one student can cross at the other side. So what they do, they hold their books in one hand, and the second they are try to balance, and they cross like that. It is funny? No, actually it is not.
It is dangerous, sir.
Yes, it is dangerous sometime if you slip there. So, and the second one we will talk about trolley. Have you seen trolley?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Where?
Movies.
Darjeeling.
Movies. Yes, we all like movie. Darjeeling. This is
In a hilly area.
in hilly area. So, is a trolley is a wooden box in which at a single time 4 to 5 students can sit. And but why they use trolley? 4 and 5 students at a single time. Why they use? Why? Think.
Actually, when I went there, na, we had there was a market on the top of the mountain.
Mhm.
So we went there by the trolley. And it was
Actually, in
very-
Ladakh, na, the student wants to go to school, but in the mountain, in between the school and the mountain, there is a big river and very deep. So they cannot cross it. So the government made a trolley for them. And a single trolley is a wooden box in which 4 or 5 students can sit at time and cross the river, and they can go to the school.
School.
So
But
how
no-
does this trolley goes from one side to the other?
Yes, we are just coming on that. You know, trolley is attached with a pulley. Pulley is a kind of machine which can lift a heavy thing very easily, or they can cross one end to the another. There is a box. This is attached with a pulley, and pulley is attached with a rope, and they can cross one end to the second end.
So what is pulley? We don't know.
Pulley is a machine which can lift easily heavy thing easily.
Can you
Like you can see a all time well, the people are using a wheel to draw water from the well. The wheel is pulley. Now it's a modified.
So can you draw that so that we have some idea about it?
Yes, I will put a picture of that color picture for you now. So the third point is, have you any idea? Did you see camel cart? Yes, camel cart.
Vasant has seen.
Have you seen person, camel
Yes, sir.
and camel cart?
Yes, sir. I have seen in Rajasthan, sir.
Rajasthan. Yes, camel cart is mostly used in desert area. So in India we use in which state?
Rajasthan.
Rajasthan. Oops, we forgot about the trolley. In which state we use? That is
Ladakh.
Ladakh.
Only in Ladakh, sir?
Yes, most of time. So camel cart we can found in the Rajasthan. So in the Rajasthan, student use camel cart to go to the
School.
school. So this is clear.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So number 4. Bullock cart. Have you seen bullock cart?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. In a village people in rural area where are very greenery field, all fields are very green, but there is no proper roads to go to the school, so they use bullock cart to go to the school.
Why, sir?
Why?
Why means when the road is not there, but our car can move on this.
There is no constructed road, well constructed. The road, yes, kacha rasta. You right, sir.
Yes.
So on that bullock cart can easily move, but the other vehicle cannot move.
What is there?
The road is not uneven also there. So bullock cart is clear. We can see in which area?
Village. Villages.
Village, or we can say
remote area.
rural areas or remote areas also, right? So another one. Have you seen a word that is name is jugaad? Have you seen somewhere? Have you heard or seen somewhere?
No, sir.
So what?
जुगाड़ ऐसी सर
Where, sir?
वो इंजन रहता है उसमें और ट्रॉली जैसी होती है उसमें से 10 20 50 सवारियों को इधर से उधर ला जा सकते हैं उसमें इंजन लगा रहता है
Yes. What is Jugaad? Jugaad is a machine which front part is look like a motorcycle, but the another part is the behind part that is made of different parts of another different vehicles. There is a carriage behind that, and the many student can sit at a single time and they can go to the school. So Jugaad is basically found in which state? Gujarat. The all
ये सर जुगाड़ है ना सर
Yes.
ये वैसे राजस्थान में और जो गुजरात में चलता है उसको छकड़ा बोलते हैं सर जो मोटरसाइकिल पे होता है
yes, in different states we have different names.
Yes, sir. हाँ सर लेकिन ये जो जुगाड़ है ना उसमें ज्यादा लोग जा सकते हैं और छकड़ा में 10 या 12
Yes,
यस ये
that is good. So next is Rocky Hills. Have you seen Rocky Hills? You are living in a Rawat Bhatta. Have you seen Rocky Hills?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is the rocky area, or does it is the desert area?
Rocky.
Rocky area. So, if suppose we will talk about the near village of which is not well developed, say how they go to the school. Their road is not well constructed. They go to the school by the way in the jungle to reach the school. So in hilly area that is not well developed, where we can found even road or uneven road. Think
Uneven.
uneven. Even road is very well constructed that you can find in the front of our school. This road is well developed and well constructed. That is the even road, not uneven. Uneven means where the road is upside down, where the vehicles cannot move. So the students goes to the school in rocky area on the way uneven road. So can you give me example of any state which is Rocky Hills? Any? Any? Rajasthan is mainly desert area, na? You forgot about? So I'm giving you one example, Uttarakhand, right? So this is the all state we are talking about that you will do in your map. Okay? Identify all the states in the map and you will write both the things. Like you will find Gujarat in the map and you will write where Gujarat bracket Jugaad. You should know about the Jugaad is we can find Jugaad in Gujarat. So the next is Northern Hills.
Bridges ही होते हैं।
Northern Hills. Have you heard about this word?
No, sir.
You know, in the Uttarakhand and the Jammu Kashmir, there are hills with fully covered. That is a part of Northern Hills. If suppose one area is full of snow, so the student can go to the school.
No.
Why not? If they want to go, they can go.
How, sir?
By walk, they will walk on the snow. But there is two difficulty when we walk on the snow. One, the snow is soft or feet may sink in it. Or feet may sink in it. If suppose the snow is hard or the well frozen, then we can
Slip on.
slip on. That's how. So there is two difficulty on the Northern Hill students. They go to the school. The snow once is soft, then their feet may sink in. If the snow is hard, so they can sleep on that. So Northern Hills, can you give me one example? I just said two. Can you
Ladakh.
give me one?
Ladakh,
No, Ladakh is not Northern Hills. That is a cold desert.
cold desert.
Uttarakhand,
Uttarakhand is the right option. And the one more,
Kashmir.
Jammu and Kashmir. We will take the example of Jammu and Kashmir. So you can find out Jammu and Kashmir in your map. Okay. So we will talk about one more way that student use in a state, that is name is Vallam. What is Vallam? Vallam is a small boat used in Kerala by the student to go to the school. So Vallam is basically is a small wooden
Boat.
boat or bike.
boat,
Boat.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Vallam is a small boat that used in which state?
Kerala,
Kerala. That
And
is
what is houseboat?
houseboat is also in which they can stay. The people can stay. Houseboat mainly found in Jammu Kashmir and the Kerala also. But in houseboat, people can stay like as home.
Yes.
That is called houseboat. One is Shikara. Shikara is the same
Vallam.
name of Vallam. Vallam is called in Kerala, but the Shikara the same called in Jammu and Kashmir. That is used for the Shikara in Jammu and Kashmir, used by the tourist.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so that's all about the going to the school. What is the main part? All the student in all the states wants to go to the school for the learning. So what difficulty they face, they ignore, and what they love, to go to the school. So that's all for you. You will revise it. You will identify all the states in the map. You have worksheet. Each and every question is related to the which we have read here. Okay. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.